Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. The Bhagavata Purana has for centuries been one of the favorite religious texts of India. And this is mostly because of its charming and attractive stories. For those people whose busy schedule does not allow them to go through the complete Purana, I am trying to bring in this collection of stories from Bhagavatam. In order to keep the volume to a reasonable length, I tried to condense these stories and made sure the main points are covered. As most of you know, Bhagavatam is divided into 12 parts which are called Skandas. So, in my series of episodes, I will try to bring in those wonderful stories with the major gist covered of that particular Skanda. May the ageless stories contained in this book fill the minds of its readers with devotion for the Supreme Being. Let's start with the first chapter. The first story says this. The title is Minstrel Shares the Bhagavata. Long ago in the Naimisha forest in India, Shaunaka, along with some other rishis, decided to hold a religious ceremony that would last for many years and which many other saints and holy men could take part in. In those days, there were saintly minstrels who sang and recited the holy Puranas, scriptures that give stories of the gods and goddesses. These storytellers were called Sutas. The great Suta, Ugrashrava, son of Romaharshana, was one of them. When he arrived to take part in the ceremony at Naimisharanya, all the other saints, sages and holy people were pleased. With great respect, they asked him to recite the stories of Lord Hari, especially of his divine play as Krishna. Suta Ugrashrava was delighted. He said, "When you ask about the Bhagavatam, the story of the one called Krishna or Vasudeva, you are talking about the story of the Supreme Being. The Vedas find their fulfillment in Vasudeva. The goal of all sacrifice is Vasudeva. The fruit of all yoga is Vasudeva. The end of all actions is Vasudeva. Wisdom, austerities, and holy living are all contained in Vasudeva. Vasudeva alone is the goal of all. Vasudeva param jnanam, Vasudeva param tapaha, Vasudeva paro dharmo, Vasudeva paragatihi. He who is Vasudeva, Sri Krishna, is the ever-playful Sri Hari. It is he who incarnates himself as the Avatara in different ages. The supremely wise Vyasa recounted the story of his life, activities and teachings in the Bhagavata Purana, and he then taught it to his son Shukadeva. When, after the death of Sri Krishna, everything was engulfed in darkness, this Bhagavata Purana was the sun illuminating the world with spiritual truth. When King Parikshit heard the Bhagavata Purana from Shukadeva, I too was there, listening with great attention. Whatever I heard from him, I shall narrate to all of you now as best as I can. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru.